एड्युकेशनाचे हेजेर आहलो. खुबशे MLAs येयल्ले. आयज डायसिजन सोसायटी ऑफ एड्युकेशन हेचो सेक्रेटरी फादर जीजस also came to meet CM along with me to ask about the same thing, when give the clarity when the examinations of SSC will be held, or whether looking at the previous marks you are going to pass the students and promote them to 11th standard. So this was the question to the Honorable Chief Minister. He said the decision will be taken on 3rd of May. So the parents, the anxious parents and the students will have to wait till 3rd May to have the final decision whether they will be sitting for the examination or whether the marks will be given as per the
खंयचे एग्जाम 12
ना ना SSC चे उलयता
SSC आणि ओवरऑल 12चे 2 पेपर उरले आनी
सो सेम SSC आणि 12चे जे प्रिवियस एग्जामिनेशन जाल्ले तेचेर काडून ते एप्रॉक्सिमेट मार्क्स घालून तांकां कशें प्रमोट जातले तेजेर ते डिसिजन घेवपाचें आहा वेदर इट वील बी टेकन ऑन 3rd. CM will address on 3rd what is the final decision.